How's it going, everyone? I'm Slavinatorski. Welcome to the channel. So I wanted to do a live video review, I would say, and kind of installation on weather stripping for a 2016 Challenger that went bad in mine, and I had to replace it. It's less than a $100 fix, but I needed to buy the tool also. The tool will be a separate video that will kind of use some of the footage from this one as well, but the tool will kind of, you need the tool and the weather stripping for this if you don't already have it. So, 1 second, we'll get right into this. Alright, so here we are, Challenger 2016. So what we're doing is, this is the old weather stripping, and you can see me here, hi. This is the old weather stripping. What it is you have the hood here, and the front fender here piece. The weather stripping goes in here, and it keeps all the dirt and debris and everything out of the engine bay. So what had happened is I was driving, and you'll notice, kind of looks like a windshield wiper, but it doesn't go all the way across. It had broken, came up, and this weather stripping was actually slapping on the hood. I ripped it off, and then this part actually broke off, came up, started smacking on the hood, and if you look really closely, you may or may not be able to see the scratches. I had to get those buffed out. Some of them didn't buff out completely. But what we do is we throw this old one away. I got that out of the trash already. And we ordered two things. So first off, you get the weather stripping here. This is the new one. You notice it looks all gnarly. When it comes together, it's in a little, I ordered it off Amazon. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description on that one. This actually comes all rolled up. So you can actually see where the creases are, how they rolled it up. I left this on the dash of my car for a couple days while I was at work to kind of loosen that up. And then once I install it, I'm sure it'll go ahead and be hot enough to loosen it up the rest of the way. It also comes with these little rivets. I know I just threw that right in the camera, didn't I? But these little rivets, they're little plastic ones. And your instant reaction is you want to push here to push it out. I did that with one of them already because I'm an idiot. And I had to research how to do it because I've never done it before. But you need a tool. And that tool, I'm going to put a link in the video for that because I had to buy the tool separately. It'll have its own review, which will share some footage from this, so both videos will have the installation footage so you kind of know what you're doing here. But the tool, if I can get it out of my pocket, is this. This is a plastic rivet crimping tool. So I've got that review coming out as well. These will probably drop the same day. Just understand they're going to both have a lot of shared footage, just because one is a review on the tool and one is for the weather stripping. Alright, so we got that out of the way. Let's go ahead and open up the hood. Alright, went ahead and popped the hood. So you'll see already the amount of dirt and debris that gets in here just from not having that weather stripping for, I don't know, about a week till all the parts got here. So you'll see right on here these holes on the inside. That's where the old weather stripping was. So the new one is going to come in just like that and go right over that hole. And it goes all the way down, all the way across, just like that. So let me go ahead, and I'm going to crimp one of these just to get the stripping on there, and I'll show you how it works after that. Alright, so you see here, I went ahead and crimped down the first one. Let me turn on that light, that might help things a bit. Right there, there we go. You see that first one's crimped down? Now, big important thing is to make sure the stripping is in between the metal in the back here, see it on there, and this plastic in the front, because you'll see you have a groove right here where that fits. So just make sure you do that so you get it right. Don't put this over top of that plastic or it kind of defeats the purpose. Now, I connected it on both ends, just so it happened. You see there? It's underneath that plastic and not on top. So what it is you have the tool here. So you actually push this into the hole. So let's just pick this one here actually. That goes into the hole like that. You push it down. Make sure it's nice and secure. I'm going to try to do this with two hands, so try not to pick on me too bad. There's a hole on the end of this. You're going to put that into the hole, keep constant pressure down. Squeeze it. When you squeeze it once, it crimps it. When you squeeze it twice, it snaps that little crimp off, and then you can actually drop out that little piece. See, it's right there. That's it. Let me go ahead and get the other ones done. All right, and here we are. Hear a little birdie singing. But it actually gives you 2 extra crimps, one of which I already lost the little piece for because I'm an idiot. And you'll probably saw this one earlier in the video. I'm going to use this back on the table. You already saw it, but I'm going to use this for that portion to show you what it's like without all this extra noise outside. Because I have an extra one, I might as well use it up. So you'll notice here, there's a little bit of a gap. I'm hoping that with the heat, that kind of equals out and smooths out down here, so that gap isn't there. It might just need to heat up a little bit. But other than that, these all came out pretty good, I'd say. But after driving this around for a few more weeks, we'll play with that and see how it comes out. Hope you guys found this video helpful. I did. I had to do a lot of research to figure out how to do this. I've never actually replaced that before. So kind of cool to learn something new. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer them to the best of my abilities. I am by far not a mechanic, but I will try to help you. All right, that's it. Let me actually close the hood. So we'll see what this looks like with a closed hood. I wouldn't be fair if I didn't do that. There you go. You see that weather stripping is in there. There's that little gap which bothers me. I'm hoping that when it heats up, that'll take care of that. Weather stripping is about 30 bucks and the tool was about 25. So you're looking at a little over $50 investment to fix this. But that's it. Again, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll talk again next time. Have a great day, a great weekend, all of that. Enjoy your day, and we'll see you then. Later, guys.